Happy Sunday, my Africa people. Here is True Talk with Margaret. You are welcome to this channel. Please share this video. When you come across, share it. Put like and put your comment. If number is there. WhatsApp number is there. Today is about a senior brother who killed a younger brother who live in Europe. The younger brother go to Nigeria and he kill younger brother. Imagine your own blood kill you because of property. Your own blood brother kill you, your senior brother. Not be kill you, not be a portion. Kill your younger brother because of material things. Imagine which kind of world is this? What did they go on now? People self-love they value life of human being again because of money, because of material, because of house. Yesterday somebody sent me video with voice message. A younger brother who come Europe so far. All of us we live Europe, we know how it be. Any area you take in Europe, you know it's easy. Through flight, whether you take through road or whether you take through water, you don't enter this land. This land is not your motherland. It's not your fatherland. You know, easy to survive. Because you go through many things, many stress. Even before you go get your document, it's not easy. It's not easy. You go, some people, in short, you go walk. And you go walk when the weather comes say they cold. You go walk when the weather they hot. You go walk when the weather they rainy. You must get up that time, 5 o'clock or 5:30. Go walk. You go fight how you go take get your document. In any year you go take any way where you go take get your document. And to get that document is no easy. Especially for our young brothers. Especially for the men. It's no easy for them. Most of them go a lot to become their document. Even though you're married to Yubo, it's no easy. You have to take shit. Even though you're married to any country, whether black or white or Yubo, it's not easy. Especially our men. Then you can't get waiting your document. Even some of them will not get document. They will see they do kurukere, they work. Because as they talk about those maybe say that they come here to work, to do the right thing. You go work. You go pay tax. You go pay your ass strength. You go pay your light bill. You go see think say, I go take help my people for us. Because of the situation of Africa. Because our politicians no they do anything for us. You go think your brothers, your mama, your papa, even relation, cousin and all. You go try to do what you fit do. Then you say, okay, make as I don't they work, make I do something for us so that tomorrow, if I say make I go back to home, whether na Nigeria, whether na Ghana, whether na Cameroon, whether na Senegal, make I waiting, do something for us. Maybe say if I go feel rest. I go say this now, what I work for. Then you inform your younger brother. Whether you are a woman, you are a man, you are a woman, you work hard. You trust your people. You trust your sister, you trust your brother, you trust your papa, you trust your mama. You say, okay, make with the small the scientists they come. Even some people you go see them. Not be say they need they work, but they don't feel wear what they're supposed to wear for Europe here. They don't feel eat well because they won't do something for us. And if you dare, you never do anything, people go they can't. How many years you don't reach Europe? They say Europe now where you go just go pluck the money, pluck on a tree there you go pluck on. You go just say no. You go get to work your ass out. You go pay your tax. You understand? And those who get children, if you not take care of your children, the government will there go take your children for them will help you take your farm. Now I tell they see people today will be say they cry, especially mothers. Single mother, they cry. Say government don't take my children. Most of them, they won't try to help people back home. Not be their fault too. Because we know the situation we did for Africa. Say our government not they do anything. They not get anything. We say they will say, okay, this person not get work, or this person they sick. Make we feel they support and we go stand up like the way Europe they do here. No. So it not be bad thing say you send money for go ask say you support your family. But na bad thing when you work hard finish, send go ask your family where you trust, where you love. They use their money. They use the money for their self. Some use the money for their self. They go come they tell you story. They tell you story. Some go over they tell you say not come as now. Not come as now because waiting. They use you, they build their house. They use you. They arrange things for their self. And they talk about the bad brothers and sisters with the house. And then they talk about the good ones. But according to the message when I received yesterday, it pained me to my heart. A young man who come Europe, I don't know how this matter enter Europe. In any way when you enter Europe, it's not easy. You can have different mentality you see here. Now different people you see here. They're not gonna like you or they're not gonna love you. The way they go love their people is normal. You understand me? This brother finish. He's so far. He's so far. He's so far. Strong go hard as a man. Make it do something for us. Wait till the younger brother take pian. The time we say make I go ask. Make I go rest my head. Make I go enjoy. Younger brother waiting. He kill him. He send higher killer to kill him because of what he material thing. Because of material thing. Oh, it's very sad. Very, 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 very sad story. Please, our people wait there for here no easy. Abroad no easy. Although it's better than Africa. No man said Africa supposed to better pass. But not because of the corruption. The people not they think for the citizen. They think for their self. They think for their family. Because money where Africa people get is enough. Where we say they will take care of themselves. Say poverty no go dey for Africa. This brother finish. He dey abroad there they work. Tell his senior brother say please look for me for us for Ikoyi side. Make I build. He trust a brother. They send money. They send money. Yes, the brother they build the house. As it they send the money, the brother they build the house. But but the house not they finish. Anytime when the younger brother say, brother, I they come as go say no commerce. It never reach time. No commerce. It never reach time. The thing don't tire this young man. He just go home, surprise the brother. Okay, he don't reach house now. The brother surprised to see him, the elder brother. Say, you not tell me say you dey come. Say, I just say make I call, I don't tire. Okay, brother. After some days, he don't rest. Okay, brother, where my house where you built for me? No worry, make we clean the house before you enter. Because of early me people, because people wait there around. Make we clean her. Wait 1 week, wait 2 weeks, now so you wait. Where you don't reach to come and go say, okay, come make I show you, make I go clean. I don't know say if they plan bad plan. And so it is saying, I kill and make it kill younger brother. I want to show you proof because this page you wanna see. Now true talk with Margaret. Anything where they talk here, get proof. Now for us, for this page now to learn, to make people learn their lesson. Say, not to trust people. No trust people. Not trust people. Now only God now will protect us, because now people value things, value house more than their own blood. People value material things more than human being. Imagine you kill innocent young man, you shot in life wey God give am, your own blood brother. Make una hear the message. The video there itself is very difficult to show, but I go show half of it.
This thing just happened.
This na the video. Rather, we go let's see. Once they use gun to shoot the car. Okay, now here I go stop the video because e no dey good to look. So I go put the message where the person send.
In Lagos, just some few days ago.
Share this message.
It's all about two brothers. The junior brother is in Europe this almost 8 years. So he called his senior brother living in Lagos, telling him that he wants the senior brother to help him find a land in Lagos. So the junior brother always send money to the senior brother in Lagos. So, according to the senior brother, he snapped picture to show him the land, the foundation of the house is building in Ikoyi. Ikoyi is a big, a beautiful area in Lagos. He showed him all the plan pictures, and the junior brother is happy. I think they start this thing and this almost 2 years, building the house. So anytime the junior brother always call the senior brother that he's coming to Nigeria, to Lagos, to see the house, the senior brother tell him that just wait a little bit. Because the senior brother told the junior brother he had finished the house. So now the junior brother is trying to come to Nigeria to see the house that his senior brother have built for him. But anytime the junior brother called the senior brother that he's coming to Nigeria, the senior brother always tell the junior brother to wait small. So one day, the junior brother just enter plane, come to Lagos. He lodged in a hotel. He called his senior brother, brother, surprise, I am already in Lagos. I lodged in so hotel.
Now hear the video.
The brother was shocked. So the brother went there. He went there, greet his junior brother, welcome him well. So according to information, since the junior brother is in Lagos, he called some of his friends also who always come to visit him and tell him that, the senior brother have tried for you a lot. You saw the house he built for you. Congratulations. So anytime the junior brother tell the senior brother to send him to the area, he built the house in Ikoyi. The senior brother always tell his junior brother to wait. They want to do some sacrifice inside the house before he can enter because of enemies of progress. So the brother said, no problem. So the day the senior brother said he had finished the sacrifice, they are going to visit the house. Don't know what's happened. I think the senior brother just sent hire killer to go and kill the senior brother. The junior brother. Kill the junior brother inside his car. Wonderful. The world is too cruel.
Too wicked.
The world is dangerous.
The world is wicked.
Don't trust anybody in this world.
At all.
It's very pitiful. Don't
Yeah.
trust anybody. Either your brother, your father, your mother, your junior sister, your senior sister, your friend. If you want to do something in this world, don't trust anybody. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you. I hope somebody will learn from this information. Not trust anybody. This young man wey don suffer go a lot for this Europe. Suffer get a document, suffer work, suffer send money go house. He not even put leg for the house where he give money make a younger brother build. Just a waiting hand, sad hand. Very sad story. So this story go learn. You go learn a lot of people wey dey abroad, and you go learn a lot of people wey dey home. Say, you know, make you not kill your blood because of money. Bible wey in short, killing just start from the beginning of Bible between Cain and Abel. May God call Cain. Say, where is your brother? He say, am I my brother keeper? Now we dey see for abroad. Now we dey see for house. Your own brother can be the one who will put you down, who will kill you, will not even think because of waiting money. This young man really suffered. May his soul rest in peace. This story is a sad story. Very painful. Very painful. I hope so we go learn. Because a lot of girls, a lot of men, they suffer for this Europe. Some they for street, they also they do a shower they're not even supposed to do. No, God not create any woman say make it con this like can't do what he not supposed to do. Na condition. God not create any man make can do any kind of bad work we're not supposed to do. Na condition. At the end, make you enjoy it till you suffer. No, you know, I don't want to talk any work where you work. I shall not be work, I shall not be, but I just did make example. Because now I'm waiting a lot of girls and men go through. And a lot of stories like this they come. Family member they kill, brother they kill sister, sister they kill brother. Family they kill family, sister they kill sister, brother they kill brother because of waiting money, because of waiting house. Even the Bible say, what profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? Why you put blood in your hand because of property will not be your own, waiting you not sweat for. Somebody sweat for something, finish you want to take care. May God help us. May God help us for the hands of the evil ones. Both in and out. In our side, they make parables. In a rat, where they ask the tell rat, where they ask, I say, come chop. So I hope say somebody go learn from this video. As you know, now me, now they call True Talk with Margaret. Follow me on my YouTube. True Talk with Margaret TV. Thank you. Share, put your comment, like, share it out so that other people go learn. So that this thing no go dey continue to dey happen. Thank you. May God bless you as you listen. Bye.